Hi, welcome guys. In this video, we are discussing question number 1, 2, 3, and from question 1 to 6. If you need this, contact us today. For this, you can contact on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. And we have prepared all the answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. And if you have other queries, we are here for help you can contact anytime. Here we are discussing the question of Sanskrit, and if you need this, you can contact. So that you can see in the paper, the question number 1, 2, 3 all are about the 40 to 60 words which you have to write in 40 to 60 words. Question number 4 and 5 you have to write in the 100 to 150 words, and question number 6 you have to write in the 500 words. If you want these, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers, because we have prepared all the answer of this PDF. Thank you so much. If you have other queries, we are here for help you. You can contact anytime. Thank you so much for watching.